remember watching busy shoppers rising above in the cool breeze of December, sparkling lights all over town, children's carols in the air, by the Christmas tree, a shower of dust on your head.
Anong role niya?
Angel,
Angel siya.
of a Christmas, and I wish it true, and my wish is that you let me spend my whole life with you.
Brian? Ah, maglaro na yan naman yan ng tubig. Excuse me ah. Baka mag-swimming yan siya na.
Kasama mo na yung web, doon mo na ikaw, kinatungtong sila. Ang ikargana ni Maniro, kumarta, kinatungtong niya yung Christina. Kaya nagtanong sa sunan mo na.
Watching busy shoppers rushing
Hintay na lang ako ng message eh. Bilhin mo na tapos. Ako na bibili.
Di ba kang dahil kayo nagkatangan? Ay, tilas ka nagpatangan.
lights all over town.
Kapag ano lang ka na, kasi alam,
By the Christmas tree, a shower of stars on your head. My dear,
Dinner daw, dinner.
is this spending with you?
Kuya, kaya na.
Ay na, kuya.
Puro mga Christmas songs po tayo ngayon.
Whose ex is up next? I want him to feel he's
Look, love yourself.
Kasama na nagsasession ng panak.
Merry Christmas. Happy golden days of you. Faithful friends who are dear to us, rather dear to us once more. Through the years, we all will be together. In the fates of love and the shine
The dressing gown.
Parang tagal ko nang hindi nag-aaros ka do, di ba? Naalala niyo ng birthday ako, breakfast until dinner.
O yung nagbigay si Kuya Jun ng bulaklak.
Hindi, nag-aaros ka pa ako noon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Pasko na naman. Ay, sana may Pasko. By Ariana Rivera. I want water. I want water.
Brianna?
Ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit pa naman kailangan bisan pa?
Ayan, you have to eat now, okay?
Ang ginawa nung yung mic na green, yung mic na bottom left.
Sana ngayong Pasko
Baka na sila kami.
Be careful.
hinahanap ang pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na,
Nangangarap pa tumasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko.
Ano yan? May puno ng gato ba?
Lakay na. Lakay na.
ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang aming kanya-kanya ay makapiling ka.
Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako.
Hinahanap ang pag-ibig mo.
Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap pa tumaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko.
Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap ang pag-ibig mo. Di mo lang.
Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap, umaasa pa rin ako. Muling makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayon Pasko.
So, toilet trip back yun ako kasi. Kinapos ko yun. Asa?
Saan kayo sa Pasko? Dito.
Dito kami. Saan kayo? Gusto kayo pumunta?
Sa bahay.
Sige, mag-vlog ang Christmas.
Create a gift worth saving.
Ate, nag-asa.
Take time to feed your senses with Castella.
So a lot of businesses that are starting out are big shopping. How much cash do you have, or what does that runway look like?
The risks that are associated with it is cash flow. Biggest benefit I've had was actually have 100% equity.
Sabi niya meron time na quiet siya, sabi niya. Kasi ganyan ang mga tumatanda. Tapos sa standard ko sa laban.
Di mo may
seems like ocean time.
Stressed about your train being late? Check your travel forecast. Now on Trainline.
Grabe ang gulo kanina.
2025 has seen significant setbacks in this work of keeping kids healthy.
Na pwedeng gawin sa
Yung
lahat ng...
saya-saya na nag-open ng gift. Kasi hindi mo alam kung anong nasa labas. Ay, nasa loob.
There is for a child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Some time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible says, Mary's born child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. But now hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's born, Jesus was born on Christmas Day. Flowers shine across by night, they see a bright shining star. They hear a choir sing a song, the music seems to come from afar.
Everybody!
Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. There is hope for all to find peace. And then they found a little dog in a stable all alone. And in a manger cold and dark, Mary's little boy was born.
Everyone!
Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. For a moment the world was tears of joy and laughter, people shouted that everyone also find peace. Oh my Lord, you sent your Son to save us. Oh my Lord, your very self you gave us. Oh my Lord, that sin may not enslave us, and now we reign once more.
Oh my Lord, when in the grid they found it, oh my Lord, a golden halo crowned, oh my Lord, they gathered all around him to see man alone.
Oh my Lord, they have come to tell you, oh my Lord, what they do about you, oh my Lord, but they were lost without you, painted you somehow. Oh my Lord, with us was adoration, oh my Lord, there came a great generation, oh my Lord, that may not and save us, and now we read once more.
Balot.
What do you want to sing, anak?
Hey, Hesi. Later.
Later, please.
Uy, kuya, wala pa kami dito.
Dalawa lang.
Tayo.
Dalawa lang.
Balot pa.
Nabalot ko siya.
Ay, nadalo.
Bakit di ko may panahon ng topa? Uy, Christmas na, huwag ka na masyadong sensitive.
Intindihin na lang.
Mahirap naman, palagi sa maraming tao dito.
Ay, nagbibilang siya kami eh. Kung ilan mo kukain ng pandigaw mo, ilan lang pandigaw mo.
Hindi ka mapapasaya sa naibigay sa'yo. Makikita mo sa namin sa araw sa kanya. Nakita ko kung isang naligano mo. Wow, sabi niya ako niya.
Sweater na yung niregalo ko sa kanya.
Ano ko, guys, tapon na lang po.
Hindi siya nakikita.
May gaming sweater. Yung pinamigay ko na pinabot sa inyo. Para mag-give away.
Again, hyaluronactive B3 night cream reduces the appearance of wrinkles, loss of firmness, and signs of aging. Again, dermatologists have developed hyaluronactive B3, an exclusive formula with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. Clinically proven to visibly reduce wrinkles. Again, hyaluronactive B3 night cream.
Accessing credit may have seemed impossible in the past. With your credit score always getting you around. But Salad, you don't need to worry about the credit score.
Eddie?
With open banking enabling us to credit money, you can borrow up to £2,000 without anyone checking your credit card. Apply now at Salad.
Eddie, do you have the remote? What the heck?
Salad, do all the rest.
Did you see Kuya Healthy?
Hindi. for dear Savior's birth. The soul of its world. A 3-year long hope. The weary world rejoices for yonder. And you will glorious morn. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, and Christ was born. Oh,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Zebra wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
You have to sing it louder.
Anak. Oops.
Careful.
Brian!
What do you want to watch?
Golden. Yeah. Wait, Brianna.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Go on. Golden.
Golden
Wait,
bridge
Ninang,
is
eating.
falling
Yeah,
down. Falling
Yeah.
down.
Hindi na finish.
Falling
Hindi na
down.
finish. And you
Golden
sing
bridge is falling down. My fair lady. Hey.
Oh. Hindi na pa alam. Nagmamadali na naman.
Tampo.
Hindi, kunwari lang yun na kwan kasi ayaw niya mapagtawanan na ano. Pero baka naaway na naman sila.
Pinahirapan yung sarili.
Does he have school?
Anong kinain ni Brian? Kumain ba siya?
Sabaw.
I finished all my rice.
Napalambot na pero kanina matigas.
Lumambot?
From party to after party. This Christmas, we've got a friend in Philly.
Nag-take away yung tigil yan.
It's not even a
Will be there to take my place when I'm gone? Like the shadows on your face. If I bring away trouble and all the fun soul, I can bring the sun and snow. Will you make it for your own? If I could, if I would, I'd go wherever you go. I'd go wherever you go. By now, we can make it right.
Winnie is watching. Wilma.
I've been waiting for so long. Something to arrive, we're about to come along. Now our dreams are coming true. Good times to pass. Yes, I know. Baby, all night long, when you're lying in my arms, finding hard to believe we're in heaven. Love is all I need, and I'm calling into your heart. It's hard to see we're in heaven.
It's happening right now. It's happening to banking, blockchain, crypto. If change is happening in finance, then it's happening everywhere.
Maybe you can tell me why there is sadness in your eyes. I don't want to say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something in my head. You're the one who said it all. I'm the one who makes it stop. I'm the one who's feeling close right now. Now you want me to know it. Every little thing you said. There's nothing in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, feeling so strong. We're lasting for so long. Your heart is missing. That's why you
Are you ready to sing Golden?
was on
You can tell Daddy.
just my way.
When they're done with the song.
This one went long.
But there is why But then you came along to my surprise. Stole my heart before my very eyes. You took me right out of the blue.
Okay, ready, golden girls.
Getting that from YouTube.
Go, Fiona. Okay, go to Ninang May. Ninang May.
more than impressed and receive applause from every guest.
Okay, you have to stand up then. Follow me naman naman. Then stay with Ninang May.
Okay, golden na.
Golden.
Let's stop na.
Let's go.
Right there, thank you, please.
Brian.
Golden nga na nakakasira man na.
Oh, ulit.
Ulit, sir.
Again. Again.
Hindi kita magipag-cookies.
Okay. You sing it properly now. Let's practice. So now, last one. Okay, Silvana, you need to go. Ready to come out.
Come on na.
Shall we start to walk and now that's how
Usapan na tayo.
Okay.
Dalawa sila nag-mic drop.
Ano?
Picture tayo mga anak natin. Uwi na tayo at
Today is Sunday.
Sunday.
Answer Maroy.
Monday.
What do we do on Monday? No.
Okay, wala na.
What do we do on Sunday night?
First day of school.
What do we do on Sunday night?
Ay,
Sleep
umiyak na
early.
isa.
Come on.
Nagkakasepang sila. Ate Cesar na may
Sige,
klase
pasabi mo
pa.
si
Yan
Brian.
pati hanggang biyernes.
Bakit ba itong araw na ito ay lahat ng
TV
mga
license.
Bakit ba itong araw na ito lahat ng baris ay nag-attitude? Nagsisepang sila. Lahat.
Eh, di may sepangs din yung unang umalis.
May sepang siya.
Hindi siya nag-meeting.
Tao ba ta?
Pwede. Kuminsan ay mo.
Baka na ano na na.
Akala niya, eh, kanina, dinidescribe.
I said I
Naka-off na.
Gwapo.
Namatay na pala. Baka ano,
you
baka
got to pay
na
back
sa
the
mga
daddy.
Yung asawa.
Kaya nga, di na. Tito ko sa mga
baka na ano na.
Yeah.
Typical na siya.
Say goodbye. When I can barely say
Daddy, ako makanta ang tatamdaman. Sige, ano natin?